Salutations! Here we have our third practice. In this practice, we are going to represent the digital input value of the microcontroller in 4 different LEDs. To this practice, we use the ATmega 1284P, 4 different LEDs, 4 resistors, and 4 switches. If we can see in these configurations here, we can notice how the power source is connected to the 4 different branches, and each of one of these branches is connected to a different input in the microcontroller. As we can see here, each one of the inputs is getting a digital 0 due to the is connected to the ground, but if we open the circuit, we're going to get the voltage in the power source. Let's see how it works. Here we have all of them in zeros, but if we start to open the circuit, we can notice how due to the voltage getting to the microcontroller, we can see how the LEDs start to turn on. Let's check our code. In this part of the code, we declare the port B of the microcontroller as an input, and we turn off the inner resistance of the ports. Here we declare the port A as an output, and we start the code sending zeros to the port in order to see all the LEDs turn off and the start of the simulation. We assign a variable. This variable serves as the communication between port B and port A. And here we can see how the input equals the input value of the port B, and the output is going to reflect the value of the input. So in other words, we can say basically if we have a digital 1 in the port 1, we have going to be a 1 in the output port 1, and so on so on. We can see how it's reflected easily here. A digital 1 goes to here, here and here, and is reflected in the blue LED. The same with the green, the yellow, the pink, and the red. So that will be all.